With daily expenses piling up, the idea of making your money work for you becomes more appealing. But where do you start? Choosing the right brokerage is the first step in your investment journey. Let's break down some of Canada's top brokerage options so you can make an informed decision that fits your financial goals and lifestyle. Before diving into specific brokerages, it's essential to understand what to look out for: fees, account minimums, and the ability to purchase fractional shares, and overall user experience, of course. These factors can significantly impact your investment success, especially when you're starting out. In no particular order, let's look at Wealthsimple. See, Wealthsimple is a popular choice for beginners, offering commission-free trades on Canadian and US stocks and ETFs. With no account minimums, it's accessible to everyone. They also support fractional shares, allowing you to invest in high-priced stocks with as little as $1. However, you need to be mindful of the currency conversion fees when trading US securities, as they can add up over time. Next on the list is Questrade. Questrade caters to both beginner and seasoned investors, offering a comprehensive platform with a variety of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and more. They charge a commission fee ranging from $4.95 to $9.95 per trade, and there's a minimum deposit requirement of around $1,000 when you open the account to begin trading. But Questrade doesn't offer fractional shares at this point. They have good research tools though, and lower fees compared to traditional banks, and that makes them a solid choice for those looking to invest more actively. Next is Interactive Brokers. For those seeking a more sophisticated platform with access to international markets, overnight trading, Interactive Brokers stands out. They offer low trading fees with commissions as low as 1 cent per share and support fractional share trading, allowing you to invest in high-priced stocks without needing the full share price. There's no minimum deposit required, making it accessible. However, this platform's complexity may be overwhelming for beginners. Another one on the list is CIBC's Investor Edge. They offer a flat fee of around $6.95 per trade, which is competitive among big banks. They provide access to Canadian depository receipts, which are fractional share equivalents for foreign companies, allowing you to invest in US companies without high costs. There's no account minimum, but be aware, there could be annual account maintenance fees for RRSPs under $25,000 and non-registered accounts under $10,000. When choosing a brokerage, you need to consider your investment goals, the types of investment you're interested in, and how much you plan to invest, their interface, and more. I talked about how to invest as a beginner in the video on your screen, so be sure to check out the description after watching this. You need to remember, the best brokerage for you aligns with your personal financial goals and comfort level. Take the time to explore these options and consider starting with a platform that offers educational resources. Most of all, don't hesitate to start small. I hope you have an idea of which brokerage fits your needs if you're in Canada. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights, and share it with someone who's ready to start their investment journey as well.